Are you a local, growing service-based business looking to take your brand further? WrapMasters has the expertise and creativity to transform your company vehicle into a powerful mobile billboard. I'm Chris Graham, founder and CEO of WrapMasters. At WrapMasters, we strengthen our local community by empowering businesses to achieve success through effective designs that align your values and accurately represent your brand identity and message. We believe in the power of visual communication to drive your business forward. With our core values in creativity, excellence, generosity, and recognition, we bring your brand to life through custom vehicle wraps and more. Our 3M certified installers ensure the highest quality installation for maximum durability and visual impact. We offer full wraps, partial wraps, and custom designs tailored to perfectly represent your brand and captivate your target audience. By partnering with us, you are not only enhancing your brand visibility, but also creating a positive impact on local businesses and residents. Take your brand further with WrapMasters. We're confident in our ability to deliver exceptional designs and mobilize your brand and drive your business to new heights. Contact us today to discuss how we can make your brand stand out and leave that lasting impression.